How to build a website using Bolt.new AI. First, open your web browser and go to Bolt.new. Then, sign in with your GitHub account or another available sign-in option. Once you're on the home screen, click New Project or start a new AI chat. Next, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the website you want to build. For example, type "Create a modern portfolio website with a homepage, about page, services section, contact form, and responsive design." Once your prompt is ready, press Enter or click Generate. Bolt.new AI will automatically create your website, including the layout, pages, navigation, and code. After the website is generated, you'll see a live preview on the right side. Review the design and use the AI chat to make changes. For example, you can ask it to change the color scheme, add a blog page, create a pricing section, or improve the mobile layout. Once you're happy with the website, test the navigation and make sure everything works correctly. Finally, click Deploy or use the available publishing option to put your website online. You can also export the project code if you want to continue editing it in another code editor. That's it. You've successfully built a website using Bolt.new AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, website building tips, and easy tech guides.